everybody and welcome to a new video. This is my living room tour. Finally! When this video goes out, it was a couple of weeks ago, it was actually the 1 year anniversary of us being in this house. It's been crazy ever since. We got this room, we decorated it. I think it was the second room we ever decorated in the house. And before we moved in, I had a very clear idea of the colour schemes and the kind of furniture I wanted. And I pretty much got everything that I wanted. So I'm super happy to be able to share it with you. I mean, it's still not perfect. There's still a few things I would like to redo and design, and I'd like to get some more decorative things in as well. So I'm stood right next to my window and I'm going to give you a quick overview of the room from the door that you come into the room. And as you can see, there is a door behind that goes through the rest of the house. So I'm going to give you a quick overview. So before I actually get into the video, I actually took a clip from the second time we came to view this property before it was officially ours. And I took a few video clips. So here it is. You can see what the room looked like before we sat on it. We changed all the walls. There was beading around these edges. There was a different carpet down. Yeah, it was an empty room, but here you go. So this is my sofa area. I'm going to go around the room area by area. So my sofa is actually from DFS. Room the shot Troy. Hello. The sofa's from DFS. It is a grey 3-seater, although it has 2 cushions. I'll give you a proper look at it now. So here is my sofa and Troy sitting on it. We've ruined the pillows now, but it's just a lovely grey sofa. The blue cushions are from H&M, the grey ones are from Asda Home, and that blanket is also from, I'm not too sure actually, I think it might be Dunelm. Okay, so now we moved on to the next area, and we've actually got, there is an archway here. I'll give you another overview that goes under the stairs. And I'm so glad it's like an open space, but basically we use in there for storage. We wallpapered the walls, so it's like a nice little feature kind of, so you can actually see through and you can, you know, it's still a nice bit of the living room. I will take you off the tripod and have a closer look. So here is the archway into there. Anthony is going to a festival this weekend, so there's a lot of his festival stuff here, so ignore that, but as you can see where the sofa is and then goes into it. So there is a window there into our alleyway. This picture here is from Decenio, and I absolutely love it with the blue eye, this owl, because it's a good feature for the blue room we're going for. So through here, like, oh my god, this is embarrassing, like, look at all that crap. It is so bad. That's just where we keep meter readings, things. This basket here is actually from Home Sense, and it stores most of our shoes. I've got a vase here. This was actually one of my mum's vases. It's so pretty. But I just keep some fake pink roses in there, and there's a little scenty thing there too. So the next area is these shelves. This is in a little corner of my room. I'm currently stood on Troy's bed. This is where his bed goes. There is a picture frame in this wall. It is the only thing that is on this wall. We will be getting an armchair to go in this space eventually, maybe in a couple of weeks, we're hoping. But yeah, this is from Dunelm, and it just keeps 3 pictures in. These are all of these pictures are from Anthony's sister's wedding that was this summer. It was last June. And I really like how all the pictures obviously go together because we're all wearing the same, it's the kind of same weather. Back to the shelves because there's a few things to go through. Here you have moved you closer. So top of these shelves, these are from IKEA. Got an Airwick spray because you've got to keep the house smelling good. I got this as a gift from my sister when we first moved in. So it just says the date, the month and the season. This little guy here, he is from a friend from when we moved into the house, so I'm not sure where he's from. And he just holds a family picture from when we went to London. There is a vase back there. It's just a basic vase with some fake pink flowers in that do not actually live there. They will be moving eventually. So we're going to make a start on all of these sections. I've got a candle here. This is actually one from Aldi's and I absolutely love the smell of it. A really basic photo frame there. And I've got this mug. There's actually another one further down. This was a gift from a friend from when I moved in as well. So I think these are from TK Maxx. This is an old scent thing. Probably needs to go in the bin from Christmas. It actually still smells like Christmas though, so it's just in there for decorative reasons. I never put it away with all the Christmas stuff. This shelving has got, this is also from a friend from when we first moved in, and I really like that it is a double photo frame. So both of the photos in it are relevant to when me and Anthony went to London. And this is from TK Maxx. I absolutely loved it. One of the things I wanted for decorative was an hourglass, and I love this tiny silver one. It's so pretty and just calming to me. So this bit has got another photo frame. This is from H&M Home. This is the other mug I was on about. It's got another photo in from a family photo from trip to London. And then I'll just move that out of the way to get to this. I absolutely love this. It is a vase, but as you can see it's got like inner here and goes out, and it's got the nice silver rim. This was a gift from Anthony's mum actually for Christmas, and I really like it. Even she bought the candle to go in it. One that I've not unwrapped, and I think it is a Christmassy one, but I really like the look of it, and I think I want to move it somewhere more decorative maybe. And this bit here, these two were Christmas presents again from my sister. I believe it could be TK Maxx or Home Sense they are from. I've seen some things like this before, and they are just, you know, the fake box, but blue goes really well with the room. And I've got one of these wax melts here. It's my favourite way to scent up the room. So you just put a wax in it and you can melt it. It's not very decorative or anything, but it just sits there. And I've actually got this candle, which was from a friend. It's empty, I've completely used it up, but I really like the packaging of it. So it sits there at the back. This section has just got all my DVDs in it. And this candle holder, I'm not sure where it's from, but it was a gift again. With a miniature little Yankee candle in it. But actually, next to it here, there is the rest of the DVDs, and if you can see, they are they're colour coordinated, of course. That's how I roll. I've got another Yankee candle down here, and this side's also got another Yankee candle holder thing. And the bottom two are just got these in them, and I keep loads of like candly stuff in there, and this one has got some other DVDs and brochures for holidays in it. And then my other favourite bits. Yep, this is me here, and this is Troy's toy basket, and he's just taken two more things out of it. This basket is from TK Maxx as well, but it just fits all of his toys really nicely in there. I mean, he's got absolutely loads. He's popping his head in now. What are you getting? Which one do you want? That one? So we've just moved forward from where we just was, and this is my fireplace. This was already here when we moved in, the fireplace. I don't particularly like it. It's the one thing in this room that does not go in this room. But to get it out and redone or whatnot, it would take the absolute mick. So it's in for now, and everybody else seems to like it, so it's obviously a good piece. So this mirror that you can see is from Dunelm. Yes, it is. They've got another boring photo frame here with a family photo of my sister's graduation from uni. This vase, usually I've just chucked out a load of flowers. I should have got some flowers for this video, but yeah, I always keep my everyday flowers in this vase. This is also, it's a funky pattern one. This is also from TK Maxx. So this side we've got the other boring photo frame, but we've actually got this big candle. Yes, this is a candle, this is huge. This is from Aldi's. This is one of their new ranges. It's supposed to be like the diptyque like one. This one is in scented fig and it smells delicious, and I have actually started to burn it and I really like it there. It's just such a nice piece, and it's white as well, so obviously it's versatile and go. So this here is the pattern on the fireplace. As you can see, it's dark wood, so it does not go in this room, and it's got the black, and then it's just this beautiful flower. It's in a vase at the bottom. I think it is Chinese inspired, I believe. So now we are down on the mantelpiece. This is just where I keep my coal, and then there is this black camera here. It is decoration. I actually really like it. I did photography in college, so this is a great present from my sister. And this is the other side of the fireplace. So I've got the sticks and things for the fire. Got a little candle here. This was a Christmas present a couple of Christmases ago, and that just sits nicely next to my terrarium. Now this was actually a home gift for moving in from my sister. She made it herself and it is brilliant. It has stayed alive and I love it. So as you can see, it's got loads of cacti and things in it, and it's got stones, mud, and I just love this like vase kind of thing, I guess it is. Excuse the Christmas socks, but this rug is from H&M Home, and it just sits there in front of the fireplace for when the fire is on. It doesn't ruin the carpet. So here next to Troy we keep the puff. This is brand new, this is from Aldi's. And we keep that next to our coffee table, which is from Aldi's. No, it's not. From IKEA. We've got these marble coasters, and these were actually samples. This one's better. They are actually samples from a website, and they came in a good size, so there they are. I love little trinket things like this. This is from HomeSense, and it is mirrored, completely mirrored, and I love that. That's another marble coaster, and it's just got this succulent, I think they call them, plants on top, and it is a real one in the pot, which is actually from Aldi's as well. Over here I've got, I love this is a present from a friend as well, and this just keeps loads of bits and bobs like bubbles, things for the camera, and my Pandora rings as well live in there, and they're just on there because I wear them every day. Now this area is the last bit. This is a telly. Yes, I am currently watching Home and Away. Ignore that. This little box from IKEA down here just holds a bunch of gaming things for Anthony with a blue blanket on the top. So the actual setup, the shelving thing is actually Anthony's dad's, and the candles were another gift, which I really like, because obviously Ashley and Anthony, A&A. Love that. Even the curtains and the curtain pole are new. They are both, I believe, from Dunelm, and I really like the curtains. They used to be a horrible colour, now they're just a beautiful grey blackout as well. And another feature is that I have got this bay window as well, and I absolutely love this, and so does Troy. He's always up there. This chandelier is actually from Anthony's sister's. She had it and didn't want using it anymore, and it is so pretty. So we are back on the sofa with Troy, and I just want to say thank you for watching this video, and that is it for my living room tour. I really hope you enjoyed it. If there's any questions, just let me know, and I will put a link to the bigger things, the majority of things, in the information box. Like the sofa won't be in it, but it was from DFS and it was a year ago, so it's not going to be online anymore, so I'm not even going to bother looking for it. There's a lot of similar ones because it's grey and it is a perfect little sofa. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time for a brand new video. Bye.